Good super sunny Friday afternoon. I am at a perfectly priced open house in Kent this evening with real estate broker Amy Perfect. We are here at 13807 Southeast 275th Street in Kent from 4 to 6. Stop by and get entered to win a Sky Viper Dash Nano drone just for saying hello. This home is just so cute. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is 2,101 square feet. It has a 3-car tandem garage. It just needs some minor cosmetic fixes and is well priced under market value if you're ready to get a deal. I'm excited to go inside and see the endless possibilities. Are you guys? Let's go. Hi, Amy.
Hi, Emily. Welcome. How are you today?
I'm good. Sun's out.
Yeah, well, I want to introduce you to our newest team member. This is Julia Kelly.
Hi, Julia.
Hello, welcome.
Come on in and let us show you around.
Right on.
So you start off here in the light, bright, and breezy, large living space. And then it transitions right over into the kitchen with the eating nook. All right, coming on into the hallway, we have 2 closets here for linen and storage. There's the primary suite with a full bathroom and walk-in closet. And as you come down the stairs, tons of storage beneath the stairs here, as well as a 3-car tandem style garage. This direction, you'll see another full bath, along with a phenomenally sized laundry room with, again, ample storage. Here we have the large bonus space, big enough to fit a pool table and a ping pong table, or it could be a living area with office space. Come on outside. Here we have the patio, the upper deck, and good size yard for entertaining. We're listed at $585.
Ooh, I smell a deal.
In Meridian, you just don't see them like this, so come fast.